What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Cadillac XTS smart key remote fob. This Cadillac XTS key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this battery is a small flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release here that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if we grab our screwdriver and we hold our key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at the bottom of it, this notch right here is where that emergency key slid out of. What I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and stick just the end of the screwdriver in that slot. So just the very end of the screwdriver, and then pry up like this. And as I do that, so I just stuck it in there and then kind of pried up like that. And as I did that, you can see it starts to split the case apart. And once the case is started, I'm going to take my screwdriver and kind of run it down the side of the crack like this. And just take your time and go slow so you don't slip. And just carefully keep running it along there. And then once it is started far enough or open far enough, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And there's a little bit of a cutout in this battery holder right here that will allow you to get your screwdriver under the edge of the battery and pop it out of that holder. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. Snap it down into that holder. And then we can put the two halves back together. And you want to line up this tab right here. You can see that hole right there that it goes in. So just kind of line that up and make sure that's lined all the way up before you snap it back together. And we'll slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.